what is spirituality? What is it for beginners, intermediates, people who have been doing it for a long time? Well, it depends on where you sit on it. It depends on what you believe in, what you do. Spirituality can be anything. It can be as simple as saying a prayer every day. It can be, it can be simple as doing a candle lighting ceremony. It is not, just because you don't do something, like if you don't meditate, doesn't mean you're not spiritual. If you don't go to church, doesn't mean you're not spiritual. So there's many, many ways to practice spirituality. I am going to be doing a 7-video series on different ways to practice spirituality, okay? And this is just a few. So we'll be covering, I think 3 per video, so 21 different ways. So it's just a little glimpse into how you can practice it in your daily life. So how do you become more spiritual, and how do you do it better in your everyday life? So, and you choose whatever you like, and then you leave the rest. So this is just what is spirituality. So before we get started on the series, this is kind of the beginning. So what is spirituality? So think of it this way. What do you believe in? What makes you feel safe when you think of it? Where are your values? Where do you want to put those values? And how do you feel? Who do you pray to? Do you pray to a god? Do you pray to the goddesses? Do you pray to the universe? Do you pray to a tree? Do you pray to a statue? Do you pray to a place? Do you pray to yourself? Who do you pray to? Do you ask for inner guidance? Like, who do you pray to? And none of it is wrong. It's all right. And it's all perfectly fine, So we are going to look at different ways that we can practice spirituality. Just remember that spirituality is talking about your values, what things that mean something to you. They talk about connection, communication, movement, inspiration, love, all that kind of stuff, right? And it doesn't mean if you don't love every day that you're not spiritual. We're all human beings with all kinds of emotions, even the dark ones, and it doesn't mean you're not spiritual, right? Spirituality does help you, in my opinion, become the best version of yourself, right? Whatever that looks like. And as you learn more, the more you grow, and your better version just keeps evolving. And you do that throughout your life. I'm not a young woman, and I've been around, for a long time. I've made lots of mistakes. And, but you just keep persevering, right? So that's what you have to do. So that's my rant on spirituality. Don't get caught up in what you see out there, what people tell you have to do, and all this stuff. It's not like that. You choose what you want. When we go through these 7 videos that I'm making, when we go through that, then you are going to see, and you will be able to choose which ones you want to incorporate into your daily life to help you in your daily situations, right? And that's your spirituality. So anyway, I'm Donna. I'm with North Star Tarot. And this is wonderful, and I hope you enjoy the series. I look forward to making these for you and sharing my experience and my thoughts on what I know, okay? And we will talk to you again very, very soon. Blessings, my dear.